Teagan, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. How did it feel to earn your first senior cap for Cymru?
Amazing. It's just a dream come true. Everyone's been so supportive throughout the week, and to play alongside the girls today has just been such a privilege, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity.
You touched a little bit upon it there, but what's your experience been like this week?
It's been so good. The whole team, everyone's just amazing as players and people, and yeah, I felt really settled in, and yeah, I hope more experiences to come like this.
Again, you just touched upon it, but what are your hopes for the future in a Cymru shirt?
I'd love to earn more caps for Wales, of course, and just have more experience in women's football and senior football, and yeah, be at more camps representing my country.
I know you have family and friends here tonight. How proud will they be of you tonight?
Yeah, they'll be so proud. They've been so excited for me to come on this camp and then to make my debut today. Yeah, they'll be so happy, and it's really nice to have them here.
Wel, llongyfarchiadau eto I Teagan, diolch.
Thank you.
Mia, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Can you describe the feeling of earning your first cap for Cymru?
I don't think it's quite sunk in yet, to be honest. It's a very surreal experience. Obviously not the result that we wanted today, but we had some really good moments, and yeah, just buzzing.
How have you found the camp this week?
Oh, it's been great. I came in with very high expectations, but they've just completely exceeded them. I've come in, I felt really welcomed by all the girls, and it's been such a nice family environment to come into, and I've been given a lot of confidence this week, and I've been rewarded with my first start, and you know, that's a credit to not just the girls, but like the whole team as well, and the staff for putting that confidence in me. So yeah.
You mentioned it's a disappointing result tonight, but how do you think the game went?
I thought we had really good spells and really good moments. I thought we played some really good football. We conceded 2 set-piece goals quite early, which is obviously never ideal. And then I just thought the game was quite transitional, but we're in a transitional period at the moment where we're trying to play through and actually play football, and I think that it's really exciting to kind of do those patterns, and if they don't work, then obviously that's the risk that we take with it, especially with Poland and how good they are on the transition. So, but yeah, I thought we had some really good moments today. It's just making them more consistent, I think.
And to finish, I know your family and friends are here tonight. How proud would they be of you?
Oh, they were so proud. When I told them that I was starting the game, they were absolutely buzzing for me. I don't think it's sunk in for them either. But yeah, it's nice to share that moment with them, and yeah, they're here tonight, so I can't wait to see them.
Wel, llongyfarchiadau eto, a diolch. Thanks, Mia.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys.